this is the Sarge bus, and this is the cute little owner of it right here. It's an amazing 4-window. It's got speakers, camera, retractable dometic awning. Let's go ahead and check this out. Wow, what a great build. Wow. Oh my gosh, so there is my Freedom jump seat. She has done an amazing job. Look at this, you guys. It has a separate opening front door. Gorgeous floors. Oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So we've got that fridge. Look at this lighting underneath the cabinets. I think that's, yep. Maru body sink. Look at this, you guys. The cabinetry, the amazing lighting. Full-size fridge, or the, oh nice. Look at this under cabinet lighting right there. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. And then you've got the pull down shades over the windows that are also fully tinted. Beautiful cabinetry. This is such an amazing build. And it's got the auto closing doors. Such an amazing build. Shower head with the porta potty. And even down to that light switch, you guys. Look at this. She's got the opening, sliding. How amazing.
Find it.
That is amazing.
I had someone build it for me.
So it keeps all the logs down to the bottom. You can only use about 12 inch, but it keeps it completely smokeless. What a great contraption. Follow her. It's Skoolievibes on Instagram. So Skoolie, Skoolie, vibes on Instagram. Such a great build. Yay, congratulations on your Skoolie.